Good day, everyone. I am Charita B. Del Remedio. This presentation discusses why renewable energy matters in the Philippines and how Filipino youth shape a sustainable energy future. Energy powers daily life, but rising demand has increased pollution, climate risk, and electricity prices. The Philippines still relies heavily on fossil fuels. What is renewable energy? Renewable energy uses natural resources that are continuously replenished and generate power with minimal greenhouse gas emissions. For the Philippines, renewable energy is not optional. It is essential for climate resilience, affordability, and energy security. Filipino youth influence energy decisions at home, in communities, and online. Their participation can accelerate renewable energy adoption. Studies show renewables significantly reduce emissions, but youth education and engagement in the Philippines remain limited. The study analyzed policy documents, international reports, academic materials, and personal experience with household solar installation. Youth awareness exists but lacks depth. Household solar use is increasing due to affordability and rising electricity costs. Youth influence family behavior and spread renewable energy information through digital platforms. Renewable energy is vital for the Philippines' future. Empowering youth through education, incentives, and advocacy is key. Thank you so much for watching.